Hi students, hi everyone. Welcome back to Geeks for Geeks School and welcome to a new video where we are going to solve the problem that you're seeing right now on the screen. So basically in this video the problem that you're seeing right now on the screen is a little bit different from the other problems that we are doing like these days. So today's session is just for the students so that they can understand how will be the questions in Biwizard 3.0 tournament. So basically, as you know that Biwizard 3.0 tournament is going to happen on 26th of March, and if you have not registered in the contest, do register in the contest. The link is in the description box. So the question that I am doing in today's class will help you in doing the coding questions that will come in Biwizard 3.0 tournament. Okay, so I hope that this time you will be able to solve this question. And also last time before the contest I also did a webinar or basically a live session like this where I taught a question. We solved a question, me and you guys just solved a question, and the question that came in the contest was quite similar. So this time also it will be the same thing, so do check out this question and do understand it very nicely. I'm not going to say that it will be the same question that is going to come over there, but the question will the understanding, the approach will become little easier for you if you will understand this question to solve the question that will come in Biwizard 3.0. So please don't miss, and if you have asked any of your friend to register in Biwizard 3.0, share this video with them also so that they can also get good marks. Okay, now without any wasting time, I will just start with today's session. So as you can see, we have a question over here where we are given a string of mixed characters. Now here the catch is that we are given a string of mixed characters which are numbers, lowercase and uppercase alphabets. So basically earlier what happens is whenever you're getting a string of only lowercase characters or uppercase characters, so in that case what you can do is you can just create an array of 26 size, basically because we have 26 letters, right? So and you can just consider that zeroth index zero index refer to A, one index refer to B, two index refer to C, and so on and on, right? Okay. Hi, Harsh Master. Hi. So yeah, so that's how you can do. But in this case, you cannot do that because the array will be really big. The space that will be used to solve this problem will be really high because you have to create a array of numbers, then for lowercase and then for uppercase, and also to attain the logic that which index refers to which character will also be difficult. So in this case we are not going to use an array, so that is one thing that is a totally sideline, so you cannot use array. Now any other approach that is coming to your mind, just quickly write in the chat section. I will be more than happy to see that. Also please say hi to me, let me see who all are here in the class. I can see only one student, which is Harsh. So yes, and also please check out our Discord channel. The link is in the description box. There I very frequently post some questions. Also we are trying to put some polls each and every day for you to increase your knowledge in coding domain. Yeah. So let's see the next part of the question. So the next part is saying that you have to find the frequency of all the characters in the string. Now the string will be having numbers, the string will be having small characters, the string will be having uppercase characters, right? And you have to find the frequency of all the characters in the string. Now here you can see we have two zeros, so we have a zero, frequency of 0 as 2, 2a, then frequency of a is 2, 2 capital A, then frequency of capital is also 2, then 1 1, and then 1 f, and then 2 capital B's, right? So that's how we are getting the frequency. Okay. Okay. Okay, so, School of Music is asking that will Biwizard 3.0 difficult than Biwizard 2.0? Yes, it will be a little difficult. I will not say it's like really difficult. I would only suggest to the students that if you are giving Biwizard 3.0, it's a thing from my side. It's a suggestion from my side that today's video, today's session, tomorrow there will be another daily problem solving session, and day after tomorrow there will be a mega menti quiz. Please attend all these three sessions because this will help you a lot. If I'm saying this will help you a lot, just understand my point of view, because last time also when I was doing analysis, most of the students were saying that I helped them, covered similar type of questions in mega menti quizzes and daily problem solving. So keep that thing in mind. Daily problem solving and mega menti quiz will help you a lot in scoring good marks in Biwizard 3.0. Also, yes, the difficulty level will be a little bit more than previous Biwizards. Okay, so do participate and do watch all the sessions. Okay, so yes, it doesn't matter. Biwizard, the last Biwizard was also not language specific, and this time also the Biwizard is not language specific. You can easily participate. It doesn't matter if you have a good knowledge of Python, you can participate. If you have good knowledge of Java, you can participate. If you have good knowledge of C, C++, then also you can participate. Okay, so language is not a constraint this time, and neither it was in the previous Biwizard also. So now let's just start thinking about the approach. No one has told me the approach yet. If you know approach, do let me know in the chat section. Okay, someone is saying I prefer using Java. I'm learning Java since ninth class. That's great. I'm also going to solve this question using Java language. So stay tuned if you want to know the solution. If you don't want to know the solution, what you can do is you can just write the approach in the chat section. I'll be more than happy to see that. Okay. So here, what we are going to do is we are going to use a hash map. Okay, although hash map is also going to use some space, but in this case hash map will only store the keys that are already present in the this string, right? It will not create extra 26 letter space, or you can just add 26 with 26 and 10 numbers, so it will be like become a lot of space. So it will not use that much space. It will only use the space according to the number of different characters that we have inside the string. Okay, you can say hash map, or you can also say map. Okay, hash map or map. And yeah, what hash map stores, hash map basically stores key value pairs, right? It basically store key values pairs, just like we have key value pairs in dictionary. Similarly, hash map also store key value pairs. Okay, I hope that this thing is clear. Okay, cool. Cool. Now, let's move ahead. Let's see what we are going to do. Basically, we have a string str, right? We have a string str. We are going to iterate over this string. Okay, we are going to start iterating over this string. And whenever I will move to a index to a letter, so let me just do a dry run over here. Just assume that I have this string 0, 0, small a, capital A, capital A. Then we have a 1, then we have F, then we have B 2 times, right? Okay, now let me just put indexing over here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the indexes. Basically, I am going to iterate from index 0, I is equals to 0, and I is less than 10. So basically 0 to 9, I'm going to iterate. Now when I will reach to this particular element, I will get this element using str.caret I, right? After getting this element, I'm going to check if I already have this element in the hash map or not. So let's assume that this is our hash map. This is our hash map. Okay, first initially the hash map will be empty, so I'm going to check if we have 0 in the hash map or not. If we don't have, what we are going to do is we are going to put the key and we are going to put the value as 1, because this is the first time that it is appearing. Then I will move to the next element. Now 0 is already present, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase the value. So I'm going to extract the value and increment it by 1. So I will extract 1 and I will add 1 in this, and I will make it 2. Okay, now we'll move to the next element. Now this character is not present in the hash map, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it like this. Okay, next element, this is already present in the hash map, so I just have to increment the value that it has. When I will move to the next element, again it is going to, I'm going to put it initially, and then later on I'm just going to increase the value. So that's how I'm going to iterate over the whole string and put the values in the hash map. And once I have put it all the values, what I have to do is I have to traverse this hash map and print the key and the value pairs. Basically, key and the value in value is what? Value is basically the number of times it is occurring in the string, right? So that's how we can print the frequency of each and every character. Now let me just take the doubts and then we will move towards the solution, or you can say the code for this. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, string array concept, that's great. But did you guys knew about the hash map concept? Do you have any idea of this hash map? If not, just let me know. If you thought of doing this thing just using arrays, so arrays is not feasible. You will not pass all the test cases because the space complexity will be will be increased. Okay, so yes, let's now move towards the coding part. I hope that this much part is clear to everyone. Okay. Okay, cool. So here what we are going to do is we are just going to first write the code. Okay, we are first going to write the code for this dictionary. Yes, Harsh, you can use the same using dictionary. Dictionary will not have duplicate keys, right? So you can just increment the value, key value pair. So you can just increment the value. You can. That's why I told that students who are going to use Python, they can do the same thing using dictionary. It's not a different thing. Okay. So let's just create a string first. You can just keep on asking your doubts in the chat section. I'll be more than happy to take your doubts. Okay. I'm just initializing over here. Okay, so I have created this random string. I don't know like what I have created. It's just a random thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just also pass the length of the string. So int n equal to str.length. Okay, now I'm just going to create a function and we are going to pass the string and length, and then we are going to check of if we have check the frequency of each and every element. Okay, public static void print frequency. Okay, print frequency. Here the inputs will be string s comma int n. Okay, now let's start writing the code. Okay, okay, let me take few more doubts. Okay, it's great if students don't know about hash map and they can still solve this. Ma'am, why it is IO we should use scanner class? Okay, basically we are not taking input. If we will be taking input, then I would have used import java.util asterisk. Basically in util class we already have scanner class, but here we are not taking input output from the user. We are just using the random input, right? So that's why it doesn't matter, but wherever you will be taking input, you have to see if you're using scanner, you are going to use util package. Otherwise you're going to use, if you're using buffer reader, then in that case you're going to use IO package. Okay. Okay. No, A will be 4 in this case. Sandhya, if the string, the example that you're saying in the chat section, if this is the case, then in that case, the value of A will be 4 because it is occurring 4 times, and also I have used a similar kind of example, so you will understand it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to create a hash map, and the first thing will be character, and the second thing will be integer in this. So basically that's how we create a hash map. Okay, map equal to new hash map. Okay, now we have created hash map. What we are going to do is we are going to have a for loop. We are going to start from 0. Okay, I is less than n and I plus plus. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start getting each and every element, and then we are going to have few if conditions. So let's just get the element. So I'm going to have char ch. Okay, ch equal to s dot caret. I hope these things are very simple that I'm writing. If you have a doubt at any point, you can just ask me the doubt. I'll be more than happy to take your doubt. Okay. Now we are going to have if condition. If map dot contain key ch, if map is already containing this, if this is true, so in this case what we are going to do is, so basically in this case, if map is already having that key, we just have to find the value and increment it. Okay, so let me first do if map is not containing that key. If map is not containing a particular key, then in that case what you have to do is you have to just put. Okay, so map dot put ch comma 1. Okay, I hope that this thing is clear, that if a map is not containing something, then in that case you just have to do what, you have to just put it inside the map and increment the value as put a value as 1. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do over here is we are going to first see if now if this condition is not true, then we are going to go in else, and inside else what we are going to do is we are going to get the value of that particular key, and then we have to increase that value. Okay, so what we are going to do is map dot put map dot put. Okay, first we have to ch, and then okay, what we have to do is we have to get the value first. So map dot get value of what, ch, right, and then we have to increase it by 1. Okay, so if anyone is having any doubt in this, just please ask right now, so that I can explain the un explain the terminology behind this. Okay, now, once I have iterated over whole array, then I just have to get the key value pair, and I have to just put all the values, right? So we are going to iterate, but before telling you how to iterate over the whole hash map, I want you all to just tell me that if this thing is clear to you all or not. If this is clear, very well, we are going to move to the next part, that is basically iterating over the whole array. Right, so basically what we can do is instead of iterating over the whole hash map, we can just iterate over the we can just iterate our whole string, and every time we are going to print the values. Okay, okay, so let's start writing the code for that. Okay, cool. So okay, cool. So let's start writing the code for that. So again, I'm going to have a for loop. It will start from 0, it will go till n and I plus plus. Cool. Now what I have to do is I have to get each and every element, and I have to print that. So I would just want all the students to please please tell me that if you are able to understand it or not. If not, then I will be taking your doubts, because it doesn't matter if I will just simply tell you about how you can solve this, because basically at the end what matters is that if you are able to solve it or not. See, if you are not able to solve it, just let me know, because this is the question, this is very important question for you, because we are going to have a similar type of question in our main exam. So please don't take it lightly, please take it seriously, and if you're not able to understand it, just write me in the chat section. I'll be more than happy to help you over there. Okay, so yeah, I guess no one is having any problem. So let's do one thing, let's just print the value. Then in that case, if you're not having any problem, if you are having, please let me know in the chat section. Okay, it's clear. Harsh is saying it's clear. I want answers from each and every one of you. because what happens is each and every time when I'm telling you how to do a certain thing, you just say one or two students say that it's clear, and then when after the analysis or at the time of analysis, students on Discord just tell me that they haven't understood the particular thing. That's why they are not able to solve the question. So if you have any kind of problem, if you are facing anything, then just let me know. I'll be more than happy to take your doubts, students. But at the end, don't say that you're not able to understand a certain thing. Okay, I guess no one is having any problem, so I'm assuming that you're not going to say at the end that you are not able to understand things. Okay, cool. So now what I have done is I have just simply written a for loop where we are iterating over the whole map, and we are getting the key and value pairs. So I just don't want to waste any more time. So that's why I just finished it very quickly. So yes, so that's basically it. Let's just run this and let's see if this is working perfectly fine or not. Okay, we are getting a small error. Okay, we have used a hash map, but we have not used import.io, import.java.util package, because hash map is inside the util package, so you have to import the util package also. Okay, now it will not show any error, I guess. Yeah, let's just run this. Okay. Now I'm assuming that everyone will at least be able to do one question very nicely. Yeah. No one is going to have any problem in at least one question. Okay, so it will not be map.value, it will be ch.value. Okay. Okay, it is showing some error. Just give me a minute. Let me just find the okay, Sunday is having a doubt. Let me first take that. If we iterate through string and count the number of times the character is repeating and store it in a dictionary with keys equals to character and values equals to count number and remove the character from the string. Yes, we can do that. The second way of doing basically for iterating over this is that only you can just simply iterate over the whole. You can just simply iterate over the whole this whole array. Okay, you can just iterate over the whole string, and at each and every point for a particular character you can just print that character, the frequency of that character, and then you can change the value of the frequency to 0. And the next time when you will then the next time when that character will be coming, you have to just check if that frequency is not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it's of no use. Otherwise what you can do is you can just simply just check it using the frequency. Okay, and changing the frequency each and every time. I hope that this thing is clear. I hope that it is clear. Okay, so I'm assuming that it is clear. I hope that you will not have any doubt for this in this. Okay, so if you are still having doubt, just let me know. Okay, okay, ch dot get value. Okay, map dot get value, map dot get value of ch. Otherwise what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do map.get. Let's just run this and let's see if it is working fine. I hope that Sandhya I have cleared your doubt. If you're still facing any doubt, just let me know. Okay, I have created this as a map. Okay, let's just see the errors. Okay, it is saying that map.entry map does not exist. Is it showing? Let me just check if it have. Okay, it is showing some error. Let's see what it is. Okay, it is not string, it is character actually. That's why it's showing a error. Because we have made a map of characters and strings. Okay. Okay, so basically, whenever I write the code with you, I also do some errors, and that's fine. Whenever you will be writing code, you are going to face a few errors because it do happen sometimes. Okay, okay, it is still showing some error. So let's do one thing. Let's just first again see the error, and let's just then after that we are going to iterate over this. So let's not use this way. Let's just print the map like that only. Okay. So let me just print it. Let me just try and print it simply. We are going to see the whole iteration thing next time. So let's just print it. Okay. So we are getting error again also because we have not printed it over here. Okay. So just give me a minute. There are few changes that you need to do. Let's just do the some changes because we have not called this function. We haven't done anything till now. So let's just first call this function and let's see what's happening. Okay. I have created this function. I thought that it will work fine. Okay. Print frequency, and we are going to pass string and str, yeah, and n. Okay, let's just do this and let's see if this time it is working. And if it will again show some errors, then what we are going to do is we're just going to print the map for now, and I will tell you how to iterate. Basically, I have a lot of videos on how you can iterate over a map, so that's not a problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here let's just print the map for now. Okay, dot print. uh, let's just try and print the map. Let's see if it's going to work or not. Okay, so as you can see, the frequency of A is 5, B is 2, C is 1, D is 2. So you can see the frequency of each and every element is clearly visible in the output. Okay. Cool. So that's how you can find the frequency of all the elements of a string, and you can just do it that way also. You can just find the frequency of all the numbers also. So you can see here we are also finding the frequency of 6 and 7. So we are finding the frequency of each and every character, and it's pretty much clear. Now if you have any doubt, just let me know in the chat section. If not, then we can end the session. And please also keep this thing in mind that please watch tomorrow's problem solving also, and day after tomorrow we are going to have a mega menti quiz. Please watch both the videos. That will help you a lot, like seriously a lot, in understanding the whole things that are going to come. That is basically we are having a very similar type of questions in the Biwizard. That's all I can say. So please watch all the three videos. That's going to like help you a lot. Okay. So yeah, that is all from my side. I hope that you guys have understood everything, and this session was fun. If you still have any doubts, just let me know in the chat section. I'll be more than happy. Otherwise, we'll just end the session in few seconds. Okay. Now everything is open for your doubts. Just please quickly ask those doubts. If you don't have, just you can say bye and we can just end the session. Okay. I don't think so that anyone is having any doubts. So then let me just end the session. And if you have liked the video, please click on the like button. Please share the video with your friends so that they can also score good in the Biwizard 3.0. Also, please subscribe to our channel. And